What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today, I want to see what the hype is all about with this everyday dose coffee. So starting off, I'm an avid coffee drinker, right? I at least need 1 cup a day, preferably black, and I saw this everyday dose coffee popping up everywhere on Instagram, Facebook, all social media. Everywhere I look, I've been seeing everyday dose coffee, right? And I want to see what the hype is all about. Supposedly, it's supposed to be an organic, healthy, packed with nutrients, vitamins, stops bloating of the gut, and just has all these benefits. And I want to see what it's all about. Usually, any of the products that I saw from Everyday Dose consists of an actual bag of coffee. But here I have a box, and this is actually a sample kit, yeah. And Everyday Dose coffee, for those that don't know, if you do want to pick it up locally and try it, it will be available, but only at Target. Here I have the Everyday Dose Coffee Plus. And as you can see, it's packed with a bunch of stuff on the bottom. We have collagen, L-theanine, chaga, and lion's mane. And I did hear that lion's mane is supposed to be very good. I definitely love the packaging, right? With this reflective type of pattern that it's got going on here. Helps with clarity and focus, gut-friendly, no jitters. And the sample kit includes 3 mild roast coffee plus and 3 medium roast coffee plus. The mild roast coffee plus is chocolatey, smooth, and light-bodied. The medium roast coffee plus is dark chocolate, creamy, and full-bodied. Preferably, I drink my coffee black. I don't use any sugar. I don't use any milk. Nothing. Pure, straight black coffee. That's the way I like coffee. I think that's the best way to have coffee, to know what coffee tastes great and what coffee tastes like shit. For the black coffee drinkers out there, you know what I'm talking about. It also comes with 1 rechargeable frother. Yeah, for mixing. And it also has a free recipe booklet. And it says here that it's a dietary supplement. Makes 6 cups of coffee, this whole box. Taking a quick look at the back of the box, it says, "From our founder, my whole life I've struggled with managing my focus, energy, and attention. Everything I tried left me feeling drained and empty. Drinking regular coffee led to jitters, crashes, and gut issues. But I wasn't ready to give up caffeine. I just wanted something better. That's why I discovered the power of functional ingredients by blending delicious coffee with collagen, lion's mane, chaga, and L-theanine. I created a smoother, more balanced blend that fuels both mind and body. It's coffee plus benefits." You got this, Jack, the founder at Everyday Dose. 100% Arabica coffee. Has smooth flavor, jitter-free energy. Grass-fed and pasture-raised collagen. Promotes healthy hair, skin, and nails. 100% pure L-isomer. L-theanine. Balanced mood and better sleep. 100% fruiting body extract. Chaga. Immune support and boosting wellness. 100% body extract, lion's mane, clarity and focus, nerve regeneration. Low acidity, sugar-free, dairy-free, keto-friendly, and lab-tested. And we have the supplement facts for the mild roast, so if you guys want to do your own research on that, here you go. And right under that, we have the supplement facts for the medium roast, and of course, if you guys want to do your research on that, here is everything right here. So I'm going to start out with this. We have the Everyday Dose recipe booklet. 5 easy and delicious coffee recipes. Here we have all of our sticks of coffee right here. And of course, this is what the mild roast and medium roast packets look like. Here we got a USB-C to USB-C cable. Here is the whisk attachment. Here it looks like we have the actual motor for the Everyday Dose frother. Here we got instructions for the rechargeable milk frother. Of course, on this side we have the power button. And right above that, you're going to have the flap to open up and access the USB-C port. So it states here that it takes about 2 hours to fully charge the battery, but it states on the instructions that it is only 15 seconds to froth. And there we go. Now we got this bad boy spinning. We have this little case, and you could put the whole thing in here just like this. Line it up, push it in, and then twist it, and it locks in and snaps shut. So now you can take your frother on the go. I got my coffee right here in my good old mug, And as you can see, just a little bit on the top due to all the frothing, it's very foamy, all right? So I'm going to try it out, and let's see what it's all about. All right. Definitely I could see it's a lot plainer. It's very light. So far, so good. It's still a little foamy. I'm not going to lie, though. I would definitely buy a bag of this. This is definitely really good. Especially that it comes with a lot of health benefits. I mean, that's just a plus. And like I said, you could enjoy this any way. You know, you could have it hot, cold. So in a way, it's like coffee to brew or almost instant coffee. I mean, that's just great. I finished the whole mug. It's not strong. It's not over the top. You're not hit with it usually when you drink a coffee. Head on out to Target if you do want to pick this bad boy up locally. I would say go for the sample kit. Buy it. Try it out. If you don't like it, oh well, you have a free frother now, you know, and do away with the coffee if you don't like it. And if you do like it, hey, after the sample kit, buy the Everyday Dose bag of coffee, because that's what I'm about to do. So if you have Everyday Dose coffee and you use it every day, like an Everyday Dose, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of it. Other than that, that's all I got for you in this video today. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will catch you all in the next video. Take care. Your boy's out.